Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Juliet and today we will be looking at a GitHub action to generate a CycloneDX SBOM for Python. This is a GitHub tool that uses a requirements file to create an SBOM for your Python project. To use this tool, be sure to have your Python project in its requirements.txt file in the repository you're working in. Okay, so to begin, we're going to go over to this Actions tab and we're going to set up a workflow ourselves. And now in this file context, we're going to enter the following. So basically what's going on here is we're specifying our input file and we're also specifying our output file and specifically saying, didn't get copied. Specifically saying that we want a JSON file as opposed to an XML file. Okay, so if we were to commit this and we go over to the Actions tab, give it a second to show up, we will see that we have our workflow running. So if we go into our job, we will see it all running and it's a green check mark, so it's done. And so if you look at the generate SBOM section specifically, we will see the SBOM, don't need that. We will see the SBOM right here. Alright, so we have a few options on how to extract this output file. The first is we can make it an artifact, and the second we can have it committed to the repository. So we'll do both. And one thing to note though is for committing to the repository, you need to make sure that the workflow has the proper permissions. So we're going to do this now to prevent errors later. So we're going to go to Settings, we're going to go to Actions, General, and then under Workflow Permissions, we want to give it read and write permissions. That's just so it can, save to the repository. Okay, so now we're going to go back and edit our build.yaml file. So we could go, into Actions and go into this workflow and edit here. But also if you go to our code, we're going to have this directory now and we can just go into the file here and edit it this way. So we're going to edit and we're going to add the following to our file. Okay, so this first section we're going to be uploading an artifact and then we're going to be committing to the repository. So I'm going to commit this, and just like before, I will go over to the Actions tab. We see it running. We'll click on it, look into it and everything. And so it's running, it's going to go through. Let's close it all so you can kind of see everything. Okay. Alright, so we have all these different jobs. And works green check mark. Okay, so now that is done, if we go to the summary and we scroll down, we have the artifact. So if I were to click on this right here, it would download the SBOM and I can view it that way. The other option with the coming to the repository, I go over here and it has the bom.json file we specified, and we can also view our SBOM there. Okay, and that is on how to use the GitHub action to generate a SBOM for Python projects. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to check out LearnSBOM.com and reach out to us. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.